I'm Canadian artist Roxanne Jervis, and today I'm going to show you how to use a stylus when you're drawing. A stylus is a piece of metal, two little balls on the end. One is large and one is small. Of course, I didn't bring it with me today, so I'm going to use a dental pick. You can also use a crochet hook, or if you have a paintbrush that has a nice pointy tip on the end, you can use that to do the work. The reason you do the stylus is to indent the paper, so when you're drawing, the graphite will not go into those grooves. In order to protect the pages in your book, the second page, put a hard piece of flat cardboard or cereal box, anything that doesn't have a crease or grooves in it, behind your page. Today I'm going to show how to do a sign. This can be a road sign, it can be a sign on a building. I've just taken an ad out of the paper and I'm going to, so you can see how you do this. When you decide what kind of a sign you want, if you need to do it to exact size, take a piece of tracing paper, do the outside square on the tracing paper, and then put the lettering on the tracing paper first. After that, you can lay it on your drawing. I'm going to do the word sale, and you can then just press the letters where you need it. It's got a wider ball on the edge of this paintbrush. Press fairly hard, especially if it's a small sign, because you need to be able to see the indentations on your page. And you have a sign. You can just fill in. So if you're drawing a streetscape and there's a lot of different signs on the buildings, this is a good way to get them efficiently done, and you can practice before you actually put the pencil to the page. So try that with a stop sign. Practice using your stylus so you can get the proper pressure, and practice with the wide end and the short end. If you like what you've seen, please subscribe and share this with your friends. Thank you for watching.